Assalamu alaikum fam, hope you're doing well. So, if you don't have a smoker in your backyard, this is an excellent way to add that really great smokiness flavor to your gravies you put on mashed potatoes, to your mashed potatoes, to your potato salads, your macaroni salads, your barbecue sauces, the marinades you do for your chicken, fish, shrimp, you name it. Liquid smoke is an awesome way to add this really rustic, classic Americana flavoring to your food. And I highly recommend trying it. It's not too difficult to learn how to use. You just do a couple drops and it adds in that flavorness. This helps a lot of people, especially if they're not able to have a smoker in their backyard, which one day, inshallah, I can have something like that. But it's really yummy. This is hickory smoke, so there's apple wood, there's mesquite, classic, different flavors that you can add. And it's really a fast way to get that done. Smoking meat is a very niche hobby, but this is a great substitute for people who haven't really got to experiment with that type of meat grilling preparation. So next time you come across something like this in the store, go ahead and try it out. It also can go really, really well in stuffed raviolis. And man, if you want to get even more fun with it, you could even try it in chocolate chip cookies. Add a little bit of hickory smoke, chocolate chips, sea salt, and you're going to have a very unique cookie recipe. That's something that, really great chefs use. So go ahead and try it and see what you think.